You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. For each network or LAN, local area network, definitely the host requirement might change. Some of the networks might require more hosts and some might require less. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do the varying amount of hosts for the subnets. For example, just consider a LAN like this. You are having branch 1 and branch 2, and inside you will have two floors, LAN 1 and LAN 2. Likewise, in branch 2 also you are having two floors. So for the first LAN, you will have around 250 hosts, for consideration. For the second LAN, they are asking 100 hosts. In the branch 2, for the first LAN, there is 50 hosts, and the next one 10 hosts. Okay, so here you can find 1, 2, 3 and 4 subnets are allocated for the LANs. And then another point is, from branch 1 to branch 2, the serial cable is attached. This is considered as the WAN, wide area network. For this also you need to allocate a particular subnet. So altogether you need 5 subnets. So here you need only 2 IP addresses, because one for the incoming of this branch and the other one for the incoming of the other branch. Okay, so altogether we are going to create 5 subnets. First of all, when doing this calculation, you need to move from descending order, which means from the highest value to the lowest. Okay, so 250, 100, then 50, then 10, then 2 for the WAN. Okay, so one by one again we will subnet this particular network 192.168.0.0/16. So here our calculation is mainly focused on hosts per subnet. Okay, I informed that we need 5 subnets needed, but the calculations are mainly focusing the number of hosts on each subnet. Okay, so what you need to do is 2 to the power h greater than or equal to the particular number plus 2. Okay, this is the idea. So here you can see 192.168.0.0/16, 250 hosts per subnet. So I am just continuing the same process, so I believe I don't need to explain this again and again. 2 to the power h greater than or equal to 252. So here h equals 8, then 32 minus 8 is going to be my network bits. So I can specify the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0, and then again after writing the subnet mask, I can find this is the last change occurred position, which is the third octet 255. So I can deduct it from the 256. So 256 minus 255 is 1, which is the multiplier on third octet. Okay, so I can write the networks now 192.168.0.0/24. Then in the third octet it's going to increase by 1. So 192.168.1.0/24. Then 192.168.2.0/24. Then 192.168.3.0/24. Likewise. Okay. After that, I can simply write the network address and broadcast address and other details like first valid, last valid, as always. Okay. So 192.168.0.0 to 0.255 it goes. Why? It is a class C address. Up to /24 means the first 3 octets are not going to be changed. It's fixed. Okay. If it is /16, the first 2 octets would be fixed. Okay. If it is /8, the first octet would be fixed. The remaining will start increasing one by one. Okay. Now you know the next subnet is 192.168.1.0/24. Okay. So up to here the calculation is very simple and we have done it previously. Only change what is going to happen here is, once after you found the first network, you are going to allocate the 192.168.0.0 for the 250 host. Okay, that is right. After that, you have 192.168.1.0/24, which you are going to again subnet and find the 100 hosts per subnet requirement. The second requirement, you are going to allocate this one, 192.168.1.0. Okay, which means we are going to subdivide this 192.168.1.0/24. Still we have additional two networks, which means 2.0, 3.0 and all are there, but I am not taking those. I am going to subnet this one first and allocate it for the 100 host requirement, and if I again needed to subnet, I will again do it for the same 1.0 network. Okay,